In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use conditional formatting in Airtable. Conditional formatting lets you automatically color records so important items stand out at a glance. It's great for spotting overdue tasks, tracking statuses, and flagging unusual numbers without manually scanning your base. Start by signing into Airtable on your desktop and opening the base where you want these visual cues. Pick the base that actually holds the data you care about. If you're experimenting, it can help to duplicate the view you use most, so you can try colors without affecting teammates. Choose the table you want to format, then switch to a grid view. Grid is Airtable's spreadsheet-like view, and it's the one that supports conditional formatting rules. If you were in a different view, switch now so you can see the colors apply row by row. Next, access the formatting controls. Open the View Options menu and look for conditional coloring or formatting rules. In some layouts, it may simply be labeled color. You can also reach related settings from a field's Customize Field Type panel. But the View menu is the quickest path for record coloring. Now set your rules. To highlight overdue tasks, create a rule on your date field that marks records where the date is before today, and pick a strong attention color. To color code statuses, choose your single select field and add a rule for in progress set to yellow, and another for completed set to green. To flag high numbers, target your number field and set greater than 100 to red. As you add each rule, select the color you want and confirm. Make sure you're targeting the correct field types, and that single select values match exactly. When you apply the rules, the view updates instantly. Scroll through a handful of records to confirm the right rows are highlighted. Check edge cases like a task due today versus yesterday, and verify numbers are stored as numbers, not text, so the comparison works. If something looks off, edit the rule until it behaves as expected. Quick reminder, the link to the Airtable website is at the top of the description, and if you prefer using the desktop app, the download link is there too. Feel free to open it and follow along. Finally, maintain your rules over time. Review them periodically, especially when you add new fields or statuses, and adjust colors to stay consistent with your team's conventions. That's how you can use conditional formatting in Airtable to create visual cues and improve data readability. Thanks for watching.